Let's do unboxing of DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. This is how box packaging looks like. It is nicely packed and looks very nice. Let's open the box. There is silica gel. Let us put it aside. Let us remove the main pouch that contains all the accessories and DJI Osmo Pocket 3. There is a manual guide and starter guide. This is Osmo Pocket 3 protective cover. This helps to protect Osmo Pocket 3 when not in use. Now it's a time to open the main pouch that contains all the main accessories including Osmo Pocket 3. To be frank, this pouch is very small for keeping all the items of Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo as it becomes very congested. I will show my preferred bag to put all these items securely at the end of the video. This is DJI wireless microphone. It also includes Osmo Pocket 3 battery handle, Osmo mini tripod, DJI wrist strap, USB-C power charging cable. It also comes with Osmo Pocket 3 wide-angle lens. This is what we have been waiting for. Here is the Osmo Pocket 3 camera. It is very small and handy. It has inbuilt gimbal to give you stable shots and varieties of gimbal modes to choose from. Let us remove the sticker from the screen and try to switch on. To switch on, you either press the power button or rotate the screen as shown in the video. This is really cool, isn't it? Comment below what's your opinion on this. To switch off, press and hold the power button or rotate the screen back to its original position and gimbal will switch off in 3 seconds. Other item includes DJI microphone windscreen, Osmo Pocket 3 handle with 1/4 thread and DJI microphone clip magnet. Let's take a look at my preferred bag to securely store my Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. This bag is from Rayrit. Rayrit case for Osmo Pocket 3, portable PU leather bag, durable and scratch-proof, soft flannelette lining carrying case for DJI Osmo Pocket 3 accessories. It is very comfortable and durable, shoulder straps adjustable in length, reducing the burden, suitable for various scenarios. All the items of DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo fits very well. It also contains small compartment to store items like ND filters, etc. If you like this bag and you are interested to purchase, I will keep Amazon link in description of this video. Note that this is not an affiliate link.